All right, hello there. Um, what I want to show you today is how to make, as I found it, very easy way to make true random number generator. The idea is from this guy. You can search for him, and also if you contact him, he's very friendly and he's very helpful. So what I wanted to do is to find true random number generator that is really random, not like in the code that you ask for pseudo random number generator. So this is how I did it. I will also add even more things because I'm researching the true random number um, generator. There is also one other method with the Zener diode and also many others. So if you have any suggestion, please comment so I can go and make it and document it so you can also replicate it. All right, so I'm here at the beginning of this repository. I placed here how to install Platform IO. I'm using Platform IO as a plugin for my, I'll show you the Visual Studio Code. So you can here make a new project and I will just show you how to do it. I already made here one basic random and also how to install this chip, because this chip you need to lock it, otherwise it will not give you really random numbers. So in documentation to use this chip to get random numbers, you do following. I use this one. I bought this one at Tinytronics, and this one I bought from reichelt.de. And then we have a hardware setup. Hardware setup is here. It's just this YouTube. You have to use those resistors. It's called pull-up resistance for E2C protocol. And you have to wire it very well. So if you go to the 21 and 22 from 12 and 11, as I can see, and use the pull-ups, it shouldn't be a problem to make this working. If not, just ask me and I'll try to debug it. Also, there's for this chip, you can see it here. There is a ground on 4, VCC on 8, and SD and SCL. This is the protocol of 12S or 12C protocol. And if you look at here, SDA, STL is 22 and 21. So this have to go with STL and SDA. So that is about hardware. I could also make a video with how I did it, but that will be later on. All right, so let's go back to my code. So Platform IO is very useful. If you wanted to install it for first time, you go and search for Platform IO, then IO, then you install it. This one, So you install it and then you have it. All right, so let's go with this basic random code. As you see, we need to include Arduino. Then we need to include this one. So it will, without this, it won't work. So this one too, wire also, and the TRNG age. This is very important one. And there is also code here, TRNG age and CPP. There's also one library dependency that you needed for the screen to work. So this needs to be added here. All right, so let's go to the main. So here is the to update every second. Then we have here every first 3 seconds I need to ignore it. Because it gives me more zeros or more ones. So I just ignore those 3 seconds. Then there is some setups, and here is the loop. So every second, so first 3 seconds needs to be ignored, and then we have random get random image from the object, and I will need 0 or 1. And then what I do here is just printing out how much zeros and how much ones, and also the percentage, so I can see how much did it produce. All right, so I also have here running the program. I don't know if you can see it, but I will just now run it on the here. So if you want to upload the code to your ESP32, you click on upload, and then you should get something like this, and then so it will compile it, and then from this point still compiling, but now it will upload it to connection of COM10 where my ESP is connected. So this is done, and now usually it goes automatically to your serial port, but now I'm on the serial port and I see a lot of zeros and ones. Actually, I don't see it, but it has to do with this port. Let me see if I kill it and then start again. It should take this. But it doesn't work right now. I have no idea why, but it did work. Let me see again if I can upload it. Or maybe I was working with the config. Let me see if, oh yeah, I was working with install lock config, but it is already locked, so I don't have to do anything. So from here, default, you have to yeah, change it to this one, and then go and upload it. So if you have many projects in one folder, you really have to here click on it, and then it will work. So this main right now is connected, and then if you go here, it should give some yeah. So right now it gives how many zeros and how many ones, and then it gives the percentage. And I also log this like I don't know, like 2 hours or 3 hours, and it is always at 50%, 50%. So yeah, so it's a good base point. So here is how it's on the ESP32, 32, and that is a short video on the documentation. Before you get or before you can get all those randomizer to work, you have to use this install log. So this one. So then you can upload it, and um, you need to lock this, like I said here in my so you have to lock it, the chip, and then you will get the random numbers. Otherwise, it will not work. So this is it for this 11 minutes. And if you have any other suggestion how to make a randomizer, I'm happy to make them, most of them, and then we can go and test them all. All right. Have a nice day.